Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash and I am in black and white because it is time for another palette bingo. So hi, hey, how you doing? If you're new here, my name is Ash. I am a makeup artist, makeup lover, self-taught makeup artist if I'm being honest. And for Milk Cosmetics, I have the 2 Nightmare Before Christmas palettes and I thought it'd be fun to do a palette bingo with these. I do have a full video up of me doing a look with each palette. I will have that listed either in the eye or listed down below, but make sure you check that out. I have a ton of videos out this month since I'm doing 25 days of Christmas, but I don't want this intro to be too long, so let's just jump into the makeup because I honestly love this look. I'm obsessed. Alright, so let's just get started. There are 10 shadows in each palette, so I'm going to choose from Halloween Town first. If you want swatches of these palettes, I have a video up on my channel where I did a look with each palette. So there are 10 shades, so we'll do 6, 1, 6 again, 6, 1, and 4. 1 is Bone Daddy, 4 is The Mare, and Ragdoll is number 6. Interesting. Alright, and then this is the Christmas Town palette. This is probably my favorite color story of the two. 10, 6, and 8. 6 is this absolutely beautiful purple Sugar Plum Fairies. 8 is Eureka, and 10 is Smithereens. Just got the one shimmer to work with, and this is the color story. Interesting. Not very Christmassy at all. But I'm going to take a moment, figure out what exactly sort of look I want to do, prime my lids, and then I'll be back to do the makeup. And also, gotta go clean off my hand. Okay, so what I think I have planned is I'm going to take the green shades, these two, on my lower lash line, which is really smoked out. I'm going to take the dark purple on the outer corner, that in the crease blended into the blue, and then the purple all over the lid, and I might throw Eureka on my inner corner. I think that can work. Meant to prime my eyes off camera, but since we're here, Anastasia eye primer, best primer that I have tried. Anastasia really needs to put me on their PR so I don't have to keep buying it. Alright, I'm actually going to start with the Halloween Town palette, and I'm going to start with the deepest shade, Bone Daddy, and I'm going to start building that on my outer edge. And I just have a little like flat, like denser brush. I'm going to kick off as much of the excess powder as I can. And I'm just going to start by gently placing that in. Don't want it like too far up. I am going to be blending this out with the Mare, but you know, just the general shape. Can always go back in and add more if necessary. Doing that just absolutely changes my eye shape. Makeup is so fun. Alright, gonna hop over to the Mare now. This is a slightly bigger like pencil brush. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of the Mare and start slowly buffing this over the top. And I'll eventually get a bigger brush and drag that all through the crease. I just want the edge of this really blended out. I actually probably should have went in with a smaller brush. That would have been better for blending, but it's working. This side is blending a little bit better, but I think that's just because I can never do the same thing twice. I'm going to go in with an even bigger brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Ragdoll, and I'm going to focus this all like starting here and then like blending it out. And this is such a pretty combo. I'm going to focus this mainly towards the front of the brow, and then I'm going to slowly start blending that back towards the tail. I love blues and purples together. The combo is just so good. I honestly feel like I look like a different person completely with eyeshadow like this and then like the long ponytail, which is the ponytail is from insert name here. I don't remember the name off the top of my head, but I'll have it listed down below if you're interested in it. Kind of wish they would like put me on their PR because I need new extensions. The extensions I've been wearing in my past videos, those are actually over 3 years old. I got those for my wedding. It was my wedding hair. Now I'm just gonna take that blue and softly blend that into the Mare shade. Ragdoll is such a beautiful shade in here. I am obsessed with it. I'm gonna go back in with that brush I used with the Mare though, pick up a little extra and start blending that a little further into the blue too, because I feel like I lost a little bit of that. Taking just the tiniest bit and just working slow and just blending that right into that blue. Gonna go back into that first shade and pick up a little bit more Bone Daddy and just re-intensify this edge. Really make it nice and deep. Got the tiniest bit of fallout, but I am loving how this is looking. I'm gonna switch gears and work on my lower lash line now. So I'm gonna take this Blend Bunny B1 brush. I'm gonna dip into Smithereens and I'm gonna start buffing that on my lower lash line. Beautiful shade. I kind of wish I would have got Mistletoe to go with it, but I think Eureka will work just fine. So just taking a little bit, keeping it pretty close, but I'm gonna, like I said, smoke this out with the Eureka shade all down here. I love a dark smoky lower lash line. And I'm gonna pick up this brush from Shayna B, and I'm gonna go into Eureka and I very gently blend out that Smithereens shade. So I'm gonna be putting down Eureka, then going back in with Smithereens, then Eureka. You know, the whole back and forth dance for when you want a very blended look. I really like how that looks. I'm just taking a very light amount of that Eureka shade and just blending underneath that purple. I'm gonna do a wing. This look just calls for a wing, so I'm not too concerned about the disconnect. I'll make it work. I'm gonna go in with the NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to put this all on my lid. I don't really want to do like a cut creasy look. I just want like the shimmer to have a nice base. So just picking it up on the flat brush and kind of just following the natural shape of my lid. Alright, and with the same brush, I'm going to go into Sugar Plum Visions. I think when I did the drawing, I think I said Sugar Plum Fairies. Not wrong, but not right. This is such a beautiful shade. Oh my god, like, it is stunning. I'm really just going to press that in and feather it up and over where I have all that primer down. Oh, that is so pretty. I am in love with that shade. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Ragdoll though, and I'm going to just very softly go back over that. It's not going to be like a perfect gradient, but I want to just soften that just a little bit. And then same brush, I'm just going to dip right into that shimmer and use that to help blend. And I actually picked up a smaller brush just to get a little bit of that shimmer shade, and that's actually working very well to just give a light blend into that blue. Going back in with Ragdoll again, just to re-intensify this blue, because I really want this blue to pop, and I'm getting that all in my brow. And I'm just going to take a small brush and then go into Eureka, and I'm going to try this on my inner corner. Ooh, I have a lot of fallout I need to pick up. It's dark, but I like that. And I'm actually going to dip, same brush, dip over into Ragdoll, and just right around that, kind of blend those two together. If you have glitter fallout or fallout on your face, take a big fluffy brush and just go upwards. If you drag down, try to sweep it away, it's going to smear it. Go up and it generally will pick up everything that's going on. But I am loving how this is looking. Going back in with that brush that had Bone Daddy and just going over the edge with that shimmer. And I go back in with that brush that I had with the Mare. Just picking up just a little bit of that, and we're going to blend right on the outside here. This just needs just a little bit extra of a blend. But this is what I have going on. I think I'm done with the shadow. I think I'm going to hop off. I'm going to touch up my brows since I got that blue all in my brows. And I will figure out a lip, a lash, something in my waterline, do my liner, and then I'll be back to wrap up this video. Alright, and this is my finished look. I absolutely love how this looks. I feel so pretty. So what I did with my eyes and my waterline, I went in with the Colourpop Wildcat liner. This is like a dirty gold. I thought that would just play with the greens very well. I went in with my favorite eyeliner that is now empty. This breaks my heart. This breaks my heart. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 inks in the shade 0. I love this. This has probably replaced my NYX Epic ink. It dried out on me because I used it too much. For mascara, I went in with the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. I just used both sides of volume and lengthen. And for my lashes, I went in with the Elli Beauty Sleigh Bells from the holiday collection. This is a mix of black and red. It makes a beautiful lash. There is a mix of black and purple in here, but I tried it up against what I had, and the purple just kind of all just blended in, and it didn't look that great. But this is the look, and I'm going to zoom out and finish off this video. So I really hope you liked this video. This was so fun to do. I love doing palette bingos, and I plan on doing a lot more in the new year. I think I have one more planned for this Christmas season because, surprise, surprise, I am actually getting my Odin's Eye palettes that I had to buy twice. So I'm so happy that I'm getting those in the mail. I think today when I'm filming this. And I just want to address the bandages I have all on my hands. I actually have a bandage on my knee also. I got a treadmill, like a walking treadmill that I bought on the TikTok shop, and I haven't been on a treadmill since like college, so it's been over 10 years, and I had a little mishap that if my husband wasn't there to catch me, I would have severely hurt myself. In this case, I only slightly hurt myself. My knee is pretty sore. I fell on the treadmill and wasn't fun. So bandages. Anyways, all my makeup details will be listed down below if you're interested in that. There's a few more days to enter my giveaway over on TikTok that ends on the 17th. So if you want to keep up with me on my other socials, I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you like book content, which I'm going to be filming a book video next, I have a TikTok and Instagram that is all about books, devouring bookishly, if you're interested in that, but all my links and everything is listed down below. So use the description box. There's a lot of information in there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Happy holidays, and I will see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye!
I think that my Christmas has died.